Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech. In the last video, I told you how to change the channel tags, but today I will tell you how to make the advanced settings and what are the benefits if you want to go into the advanced setting. So here you can see mostly when you upload the video on YouTube channel, this option mostly come that yes, this channel has been made for kids. So I always upload the content that's made for kids. So if you will click, every time your video will go into the YouTube kids. So mostly you have to manually select this one. For example, if you are seeing this iron track, in this case this video is not made for kids. This video is not made for kids, and I will choose this option. So when I will upload my video, I there say this type of option will not appear, that automatically it will be selected. But when there is not setting, when you make your any channel and you are new and you are uploading the first time, so this thing is already default setting automatically. So you have to select this one, yes or no. So if you will not change this one, then every time you have to spend a few seconds on this thing. So you have to select this one. After that, there are some more things. For example, you are getting the ads on the interest based ads. So if you want to disable, you can also disable from here. But sometimes if your ads are not coming here, you should come at advanced settings and you should uncheck these options, and in this way you will see that a lot of ads will also come to you and you will get the revenue. Then allow viewers to clip my content. So it's up to you if you want to give the permissions to the viewers that they can easily clip your content and they can use for their purpose. And it will also give more subscribers, because when there is the clip that is going to be shared on other social media as well as YouTube, then you will get a lot of subscribers. So other settings, remove YouTube channel. You can remove YouTube content, but nobody who have monetized this channel, and he will go to the remove YouTube content. So I don't like, and I don't think so anybody will go for this one. After that, there are some other settings like feature eligibility. You should not go to change these things, because if you are going to change this one, there will be the effect on your features as well. So if your channel is monetized and you have done your two-step verifications, automatically it will be enabled. So advanced settings and feature eligibility. Then after this, these are the upload defaults. For example, if you are coming and if you are going to upload any video, there must be the title that will every time that will start from here. So it will be best if you will put this thing as empty. Then there is a descriptions, which thing you are uploading on a YouTube channel, so you have to use the descriptions on these things. After that, visibility select. So any video when you will upload, it will be directly public, or it will be unlisted, or it will be private. So it's up to you. After that, tags. So for example, if your channel is related to the tag, you can write here few tags that you know that will be uh, uh, useful and that will be relevant to all types of videos. So you can write different types of tags here. For example, my channel is Mehervi Tech, so you can use here the Mehervi Tech and the tech videos of Mehervi, the learning videos of Mehervi. So you can write here every time when you will upload the video. Definitely you will see these things. So advanced settings, especially in upload defaults, title and descriptions of the language. Video language you should select. Title and description of the language you can easily select here. So for example, I am going to make all types of videos in English, so I will select this as a English. From here I will go, you can see different types of things, but when you will go into the English, there will be different types of English as well. For example, English Canada, English India, English Ireland, English United Kingdom, English United States. So it's up to you. and you can decide that this video should go into the Canada or should go to the India. So it depends upon your content. Is your content related to the Indian audience? Is your content is related to the Ireland audience? Is your content is related to the English persons or Canada? So you can use these settings as well. So comments, allow all type of comments, hold the comments for a review, disable comments. I will mostly select this one, hold all comments for the review. Similarly, here are the options: monetization, which type of the ads you would like to get: overlay ads, sponsor calls, skippable video ads, or not skippable video ads. So I hope last time we were discussing about the channel and now upload defaults. In the next video I will tell you what other things about these things, but the most important settings are just these two ones as well. So see you very soon. I hope you will like this video. If you have liked this video, you should subscribe our channel. This is Aaron Tech as well as Mary Tech. So in next video, see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.